call the ambulance.
Okay. You're cool when.
I'm texting, okay?
Okay.
Hey,
I have Wi-Fi here, alright?
Brady, what's the street we're on?
I don't know, maybe a course if I'm retarded and
I'm
Printer
trying to
Avenue.
figure it out so I can tell the 911 operator
yeah,
when he like breaks his fingers off.
I'd laugh. Sam, what are you doing?
I'm building a computer.
It's a printer, you dumbass.
Everything is a computer. It computes information.
You gained a crowd. Proud of you.
Gained a crowd.
Yep. Gained crowd.
Please donate to help me fix my own retarded computer.
You calling it retarded?
What?
Fuck, this is boring now.
Bored, goddammit! Fuck!
What the hell is wrong with this?
I don't know, I think scientists, his mom, his dad.
Some kind of
I'm
mental
sorry,
disorder.
Apple. Wait, I'm sorry, PC. I'm happy for Apple. They like this. I haven't found an A5 core yet, so that means it's not Apple.
Sam, stop trying to sound cool and freaking smart in front of the crowd here.
You know, monkeys can tell.
Okay, I'll bring
They've
it
got
up
like the
$5,000
sense.
Apple.
Okay, that's gonna work. That's gonna work. Smack it a little harder, maybe it'll break all into little pieces for you.
Oh, I got the copper off. Would you like some copper?
No thanks, I'm good.
Copper actually
I'll trade
sells
you
pretty well.
a penny for copper because that's my all's worth.
Then I won't have another penny because they're not making them anymore.
They're not
Exactly.
they're making them till August.
You're right, I do see the monkey in the freaking typewriter.
Exactly.
It's great.
You ever want one, just call. I don't have a phone number.
You having fun?
Oh, indefinitely.
Indefinitely now?
Where's the goddamn bus?
Maybe smack it a little harder, maybe it'll come.
What?
Smack it, yeah, smack it really hard.
Why?
Just really hard.
Oh, I found a lubricant and it's white.
Birthday tomorrow.
Oh man.
I'm sorry.
Fuck this.
Bill Gates, what have you done?
Bill Gates doesn't make